Beetlejuice. Sin Cara.
You said so?
Just, just pick one, yo.
You said
I
something?
remember everybody thought Sin Cara was gonna be like better than Rey Mysterio,
Rey
and he came
Mysterio,
to
yeah.
win.
All he did was botch. Injured himself. He really did injure himself, yo. And they had a storyline where it was two Sin Caras, yo.
You
Yeah, I
got 3
remember
seconds,
that.
buddy.
One of them was Hunica,
Yeah.
and
And
then
then
they fired the real Sin
yeah,
Cara and
they
had
fired the real. I'm
Hunica's.
about to say that. And they had somebody
Yeah.
else in the mask. It was Hunico again, right? In the mask.
Yep. Yeah, it was Hunica.
Crazy.
Because
How
WWE
you?
owned
That's
him. They
crazy.
had the rights to the name right
And yeah,
there.
Sin Cara wish someone changed his name.
He came in and fucking botched almost every match, yo. Broke his finger. Like, how are you, Lucha? Like, yo, come on, man. You suck. He was never believable to me.
He's had a cool costume.
You remember they did
It's
the one-on-one
alright.
matches with the lighting, and then they stopped real quick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they started that shit
People stopped
quick.
giving a fuck. Roman Reigns.
They did the same thing with Bray Wyatt. You remember, like when he was the Fiend, it'd be red, then they gave up on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how you get rid of talent like that. I mean, you probably want him to leave, but
That man got JoJo, man. I still can't believe that shit. Bray Wyatt got a bad chick, boy. Hey, that man, boy. When I saw her in WWE, I never thought that Bray Wyatt would be the one to pull him, man. Bray Wyatt.
clapping them cheeks, man.
She tried to fuck with Randy Orton too, but he turned it down because he married.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah, she tried to fuck with Randy Orton.
Damn.
Randy
Let
Orton a
somebody
good
skip my
man though,
entrance.
man. You know, he stay loyal to his wife and shit.
Yeah.
Good
Somebody go
man.
skip my entrance. Watch. Watch somebody skip my
Alright,
fucking
they go
entrance.
skip the entrance. They go skip the entrance. See what's
They
going
call
on.
me
Critic.
biscuits and gravy.
Beetlejuice. He's in the Superman costume.
I just want to see my damn entrance, man.
I guarantee you it ain't gonna be Beetlejuice when we playing. The face ain't gonna load up.
Here he comes.
It's finna go black right now.
I'm gonna walk
Skip.
through the wall again, yo. Look.
The following
Walk right through the
contest
wall.
is a six-man tornado tag team match.
Don't skip it.
Introducing first from
It's finna
Miami,
go black
Florida,
right now. Watch.
weighing in at 240
It's crazy you gotta
pounds.
be like, damn, I hope they don't skip it.
You are
Like,
looking
I
at some
shouldn't
highly
have that
motivated
shit.
competitors in this match,
Yo,
looking to steal the
look
show
at the
and
ass.
capture the
Yo,
attention
he got a
of
diaper butt.
Yo,
No,
I
we
didn't
skipped
skip
it.
that, yo.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, look at that. That's
I skipped
hot.
mine.
Yeah.
DJ, well, Jason.
There we go.
the pits of
Jason! Let's go,
weighing in
man.
at
It's so bad.
338 pounds.
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of
just said
themselves,
it.
but the
Jason.
tape doesn't lie. This is a serious
Hey, see,
contender
they said
for
they don't say the names for
Jason.
us.
They need to
They said it for
loosen up,
Jason.
have a
I mean,
little
said it for
fun.
PJ.
He
Maybe even
weighed
lose a
70
match once in a
pounds,
while.
and he just stopped talking.
Horrible advice.
Oh, yeah, he said it for me. That's his name.
Nice. Somebody skip that?
Nope.
Did I finally get to see my fucking
Somebody
entrance, yo?
skip my
now
shit,
we're
yo.
talking.
That's fucked up.
That wasn't
Somebody
me.
walk
Skip
out, yeah.
yours.
Yeah, they skipped mine, yo.
Yo,
I walked
what
out
the
good for him.
fuck? Yo, that is not me. Yo, this is not me. Why the
I woke it
fuck?
up for their quad entrance.
Yo,
Look, he's
what?
right there.
Yo.
And you the
Oh
only
my
one they do that
goodness,
to.
yo. I'm saying, like, so whack,
funny.
yo, whack.
Yeah, they skipped
And
their
who
entrance
skipped? Who
entrance.
skipped my entrance? The entrance anyway? Son, you?
I'm not skipping anything. I don't skip entrances. I want to see him. I've been waiting for these things.
The head of the table. The
I'm saying,
I'm
like,
waiting a long
Chief.
time for these entrances. Why would I skip them? And it's not even X to skip. It's a start button.
Yo, his
Well,
intro is
options.
long. Like, who wants to keep staring at this thing?
Head
There's
of
a
the table.
bug. I should be coming out for the clown's entrance. And it says
I don't know
Clown
why
right
that's
there.
happening. What? Why does that
That
keep
shit
It's
crazy.
happening?
his entrance all
It,
day,
is,
yo. He didn't see this guy walked out of a ramp once
it
today.
doesn't make any sense. It's only happening to you.
Things getting
Yeah.
started in this elimination tag match. Elimination tag matches are so tough.
Oh, that shit is funny, man.
Takes a Pele, great athleticism. Quick thinking pays off.
Yeah, bitch.
He turns it around. Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch. There's certainly an element of danger inherent in a no disqualification match, isn't there, Corey?
More than a lot of people realize. It's not just
What?
the superstar in the ring you have to worry about. You have to worry about everyone in
I
the
know what
locker
them
room
say.
that they're aligned with. The odds in this match can swing with or against you so fast.
DDT!
No, why are you zooming on me?
Nasty. He must have had that scouted. Oh, and a knee to the face. That takes them down.
Yo,
Double axe handle.
I am reversing these things, man.
Axe handle. Oh, did you see that? If this works, it could change the course of the match. Way up. He misses the target. Short flight, but a rough landing. Evades the attack. Reciprocating
What happened
the
to you?
initial reversal.
What the fuck?
Reigns
No,
comes
it's
up
not happening
short
again.
on that
Sorry.
attack. Oh, what a counter. Harlem side kick. Oh, my. He's getting a little battered now. Falls count anywhere matches are uniquely demanding. He should know that. Everyone needs to get out of the way of this fight. This feels so unsafe. Ooh, well measured.
What the hell, man?
I've got a good idea of what we're
Funny I
about
knew how to lift.
see
How do I do
here.
that shit?
Hoisted up.
All one.
Driven down hard. He
All one?
takes control.
To lift? I win.
Pile driver spiked.
How does he reverse it so fast?
Kick finds the mark.
Dude, stop hitting me at the same time, bro. Maybe I won't fucking predict
He's
it.
around like a rag doll. Brought down with a neck breaker.
What the hell? Yo, why am I stunned?
Set there. Caught with a punch. Reversal. Can he take advantage?
Yo, I
Clothesline.
just
Good
fucking...
Lord. So effective. Countered it just in time. Cinches in ahead. Scissors. Vicious. Oh, this. What a headbutt. He's got the target
What the fuck?
acquired. Just a matter of
Nice.
moments.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else's well-being. He deflects it right back. Power slam.
I mean, go ahead and go under there.
Got flipped
I'm looking
upside
at the
down
screen.
there.
Why is this fucking...
Uh-oh, this is... Cover. Is it enough? Backbreaker. Well, and here he goes for the win. He wasted no time kicking out there. How did he do
Bones
that?
in his ass, beat, yo.
Oh, knee to the face. And he could have had a 3
Fuck
count
outta
in
here,
hand.
bro.
I gotta question this decision. Round
Somebody quit.
Roman Reigns quit. He's getting his ass beat,
Flying
yo.
Mayorana. That's how you impress. Skull
No,
crushing
he's ass beat, yo.
Is
That's
it enough? The cover. Look at this. Curious decision there,
Nothing.
Michael. Spear.
What the
He
fuck?
manages to escape it. This can't go well. Double DDT. So glad I bet on him to win.
Yeah.
You can begin to see it in these superstars' faces. Exhaustion is beginning to set in. They're starting to breathe heavier. This is the time where matches are won and lost. Had an answer for the big dog. And a kick out at 2. Really had less than a second to stay alive there. Each competitor showing they've done their homework. Standing moonsault. Cover. A defiant kick out after 1. Wow, I thought this was over. Getting up and doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
What the hell? Yo, this dude versus every fucking thing.
Wow, look at this athleticism. Nicely done. Oh, and a drop kick, too. And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Yo, why do I keep getting stunned?
Can't take any more of this.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
I'm finishing that dude, son.
Going
Yeah,
forward
you got him.
again.
I'm not just letting him, you know.
Right here, right here.
I was stunned.
And that might be just enough to win. 2 count. He manages to kick out. What strength. I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
Boy,
And the
don't come in here
heaviest
crying
hitter in
like
the
that.
arsenal was not enough. Start counting, Saxton.
Hit this dude, sir. Hit this dude.
2, 3.
He's running, bro.
All day.
Right here, sir. Right here. Oh, I got to keep
Makes
this.
him pay with a counter.
Hit this dude with a finisher.
Must be feeding off the
Ah, I didn't hit one on mine.
This place is starting to
You have 3 of them.
a striking blow. Targeting the ankle.
How the fuck?
The reversal. Back and forth from these competitors. Interceptor. Sidewalk slam. Almost drove him through the ring. Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
What the fuck?
About to hit rock bottom. That is what it takes to topple Reigns. Big opportunity for him now. Able to sidestep it. Reigns falls short.
Get up your teammate, asshole.
Eliminated. Sharp jab.
Nigga, 10 years.
He thinks he has it.
Yeah.
And the cover for the
Think about hope, yo.
whether or
We're
not
losing
that
over
would have
it.
been the end. Interesting decision there. I am shaking my head in disbelief.
Hit him, sir.
Sliding back in from the floor now. He saw it
Oh, I
coming,
got hit him.
taking advantage.
He stole my shit.
Super kick.
So that's him.
Can he shut the door on this one?
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come in. I don't care who you are. You can't survive any more of those.
No, stops the count at 2.
Come on, count that.
Not claimed a winner yet. You gotta believe that not wanting to feel the agony of defeat is causing this never
Go.
surrender attitude.
Get out of here.
Interceptor.
He left
This
quick,
crowd
yo.
is truly unworthy of his
Get
incredible
out of here. He knew it was
magnificence.
a
Look at my
wrap.
health, yo. He didn't even touch me.
Damn.
Here we go.
My head.
Choke
touched-
slam.
Ready for it. Choke slam.
Choke slam.
One
Come
of the
on.
best to ever do that move. What a kick
Wow.
out. I don't
It's always
believe it.
Sinclair always
I do
kicking
not
out.
know
Every time he does
how
something.
he survived
Look
that.
at how he fucking goes.
Staying alive there is unheard of.
A new strategy
Yo,
is
what
needed
the
right
fuck?
about now if that couldn't end things. And he is fighting
Could
through
do the
all
same
the
move, yeah?
fatigue.
You have to be impressed with the reserves he has left in the tank.
Out it
What?
What the fuck?
And I reversed it.
Oh, arm drag.
Interceptor.
Yo,
Let me
how
use
did I
my
just
stomach.
kiss him with that?
Oh, incredible athleticism. He's in a little bit of trouble now.
But it's amazing how long it's taken for the damage to really set in for them in a match like this.
That was
Can't
good,
discredit
man.
that.
Why am I?
Gets him with the counter. Crippling attack on the knee.
Well, he does with that bullshit, yo.
And able to counter. Face buster plants him.
This is extreme moves, right?
Oh, man.
Yeah. I need a chair.
Bossman slam.
I'll grab this shit.
He's turning the tables. Set up in the corner of the ring.
Things went from bad
Yo, this
to
guy
worse.
just reversed everything, huh?
Interceptor.
The ref caught the front of that.
It just
Get
ran.
ready, Saxton. You might be the replacement.
German suplex. Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
Yeah.
Left right good.
He's thinking a steel chair is just what he needs to wreak some havoc here.
In this dude.
Running leg drop.
Oh, man. Every successive move is
See
putting
the chair?
the opponent in a
Damn,
dicey
it's just
situation.
like that.
I don't care who you are. You
Yeah, the
can't
candlestick
take
breaks, too.
consecutive attacks like that without it affecting you.
In them, Jason.
The roar of this crowd has been building, and they are at a
I'm
fever pitch right
Paul
now.
Burrow.
You can feel the anticipation growing
Yes.
with every second that ticks past in this match.
Yes.
Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now.
Yeah.
I reversed it.
Choke
I can tell you
slam.
reversed it.
Right back with a reversal.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Ducks under.
Shoot.
Oh, the spear.
Interceptor, Corey.
Running leg drop.
He is truly feeling it right now. As well he should.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for
that shit,
adulation from the crowd and get back into the
Make him
fight.
go down to the ground.
He has a task at hand, but prefers to be showboating right now.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation from the crowd and get back into the fight.
Crash landing.
From the top. Boom.
Oh, a kick! Wow! Here we go.
That's one for you. There
Leg
you go,
drop
TJ.
DDT. Face first. Running leg drop.
Hopefully you don't
He's
burst
got to
this
know
shit.
he's in harm's way here.
Here comes Michael. Can he put this one away?
Cover.
Let's go.
Elimination. The
And that's
last
going on
man
YouTube.
standing.
Come on.
Here
you will
are
kick
your
off.
winners.
What happened, sir?
I give these three credit for
Matthew
an
will kick
amazing
off.
victory here tonight.
Defying the odds,
I don't know what you just
accomplishing the
said.
seemingly impossible. That's
Nothing.
what elimination matches
I'm
are
saying
all
Matthew
about.
would have kicked out, but
They're doing this, man. At least we got to see some entrances.
Mm-hmm.
peace.